So it's about time. It's about time to start getting all this shit up on here. You know what I'm saying? But one thing I gotta do is check out this Mariah Carey. So I got this this video. We belong together and fly like a bird. About to check out this live performance. See what we got going on. If you are a Mariah Carey fan, let me know your favorite Mariah Carey song. You know what I'm saying? Where does she rank on your top 10 or top 5 or whatever the fuck? Hell, and if you just don't like her, let me know. But let's get into this shit.
Didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish. I was lying to myself, baby. I couldn't have fathomed I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here beside myself. Cause I didn't know you, but I didn't know me. And I thought I knew everything I never found, baby. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice. Or have you touch and kiss your lips cause I don't have a choice. Or what I wouldn't give to have you lying by my side right here. Cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back baby, please, cause we belong together. Who else am I gonna leave know when times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me on the phone till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh baby, baby, we belong together, baby. So when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back baby, please, cause we belong together. Who am I gonna lean on when times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh baby, baby, we belong together. Yes, we do. I know it is. Oh yes.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust him.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above where no more hurt and struggling, free of all atrocities and suffering. Because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high. Don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
He said he'll never forsake you, nor leave you alone. Trust him.
I need you right now, Lord. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up to the sky. With God's love, you'll survive. Take to the sky.
That shit was dope. That shit was dope. I really ain't care for the I ain't gonna say it like that. That like a bird, fly like a bird, whatever the fuck. She nailed that shit. The other one, she did her thing, but that one really got to the soul though, okay? I ain't even gonna lie to you. She was up there getting it. She was up there getting it. Yeah, but that choir though, it was that choir on the second one. I was, that's what it was for me. They was in that bitch thick. Like, it was together. It was right. It was right. Shout out to Mariah Carey, you know what I'm saying? Great performance right there. Thoroughly enjoyed that shit. Drop me a comment. Let me know the fuck you think.